This is your course. Oh, bye King, see you later. Healthy freezer meals for busy lives as part of a well-fed kitchen series. Let's get started. We will be making 4 delicious meals that you can prep ahead of time and then pop into the freezer so you can take them out at any point in time when you need a quick, ready-to-go meal. Your class project will be to make one of the meals we made today and take a picture and share it with us. I look forward to seeing you in class.